Welcome to my channel. This is MG with Pat, and today we're gonna go through the tips and tricks number 5, and it's about electricity or basic electric appliance in the car. So I will show you how you can use basic appliance in the car without having to start the car at all. So let's start. Well, here we are. Let's say you have to adjust the side mirrors, or you have to adjust the windows. For example, like in the back, I installed the shades on the window, so I needed to have it half open and closed, and it takes a little bit of time, and I don't want the car to be blinking and blowing all the time. So there is a way to do. And this way is quite simple. Instead of starting your car like usual, meaning pressing the brake down and pushing on the start button, you just push on the start button. So what happens is the start button lights in orange. It shows you slightly on the screen that if you want to start, you have to push the brake. It starts the main infotainment, and all the electric is starting, meaning you can open and close the window. You can toggle with side mirrors, even the seat are working, and you don't have to, and the radio of course, and you don't have to use all the main power, and you don't have to get all the blonks and blings. So that's the tip of the day. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have some tips that I can put on videos, or if you have comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.